Conditional access is a security feature in Microsoft Entra ID, known as Azure Active Directory, that help organization control who can access the applications, data and company resources based on the specific conditions. You can think of it as a smart security gate. Instead of allowing everyone to log in freely, it checks conditions like who is trying to log in, which device they are using, their location, risk level of the sign-in, and which applications they are accessing. In today's video, we will understand what is conditional access, how it works, what is the real-life example, and why company use it, and how it works with Microsoft Intune. Let's begin. Let's take an example. Imagine someone tries to log in into your company email from another country using an unknown device. Should the company allow access? Probably not. This is where conditional access comes in. Conditional access is one of the most important security features used in Microsoft Cloud environment. Conditional access works using a simple logic. If something happens, then apply a security action. For example, if a user login from outside the company network, then require multi-factor authentication. Or if login comes from suspicious country, then block the access. This makes security smarter and more dynamic. Conditional access has four main parts. First, user and groups. In that, you can decide who the policy applies to. For example, the policy will be applied for all the employee, for the finance team, for the IT administrators, or for the guest users. Second, cloud applications. You can choose which applications you want to protect, like Microsoft Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, or company portals. And number three, conditions. So these are the checks performed before allowing access. Examples: login location, from where you are trying to log in. Device type, device compliance, sign-in risk, unknown IP address. And number four, access control. This decide what action should happen. Actions includes allow access, block access, require multi-factor authentication, require company managed device. Let's understand using a real world example. Imagine an employee usually login from Delhi office. One day Microsoft detects a login attempt from another country. Conditional access checks unknown location, unknown device, and high risk sign-in. So what would be the result? The system may ask for multi-factor authentication or completely block the access for that user. This helps stop hackers before they enter company system. Conditional access works very well with the Microsoft Intune. In Microsoft Intune, it checks device health. For example, like if antivirus is enabled on the device or not, if device is encrypted or not, when the latest update has been installed, and if it is a company managed device. Conditional access use this information to decide access. This creates a powerful security model called zero trust. Today, most cyber attacks target user accounts. Conditional access helps organizations to protect user sensitive data. It reduces unauthorized access, improve cloud security, and secure remote employees. Conditional access is a security feature available in Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure Active Directory. It helps companies to decide who can access company applications and data and under what conditions. Think of conditional access like a smart security guard. Instead of allowing everyone to enter automatically, it checks several conditions before giving access. For example, who is trying to log in, which device they are using, their location, risk level of login, and which applications they are trying to access. So based on these checks, conditional access make a decision.